Good morning, WOD. This is Kendra Forney, and I am so excited to be talking to you this morning because this is the start of a brand new pay period. I hope everyone had a great close last night and you're looking forward to continuing your success in building your business. Well, this morning what I want to talk to you about is PGV. When you're setting your goals, and I hope all of you have already either set your goals or you're working on setting your goals, one of your goals needs to be a minimum of 1,000 PGV by the end of the pay period. Now, the reason that we say you need a minimum of 1,000 PGV is because that allows you to earn 7% in overrides. If you do not have that $1,000, what you're doing is you're just giving money away. And who would want to give money away? I sure wouldn't. But the other thing is if you've just qualified for advisor and you are working for that first pin silver, the requirements are 1,000 PGV and $100 in overrides from your downline. Now, 1,000 PGV, a lot of you might be saying that's difficult to do. Well, when you break it down, it's really not. What you're breaking it down to is actually 5 challenges and 1 canister of Spark. If you can get 5 challengers and 1 canister of Spark sold, then you have your $1,000 in PGV. It is that simple. You need to look at it in smaller terms. Do not think that you cannot achieve that. And then the other thing is you really need to think bigger. Think bigger. I mean, I know so many of you see the potential with Advocare and you know that this is life-changing. And so you really should set your goal of 3,000 PGV. If you can achieve 3,000 PGV every pay period, you will see your business explode. And not only that, those below you are going to want to do what you're doing. So, lead by example. The other great thing about this pay period that everyone needs to know is that this is the start of a 2-week, 3-week pay period. So what that means is you have 2 weeks to qualify for that PIN or to reach that larger goal that you've been working on, and that pay period will be followed by 3 weeks. And then so you'll be able to finish out that PIN or finish up that goal in that 3-week period. This is really, truly a great time to watch your business explode, but you need to do it. So get out there. Let's get your 500 by Friday, because that's half, and let's get your PGV to 1,000, minimum of 1,000 by the close of this pay period. Good luck.